10 signs your septic tank needs treatment. Your septic tank plays a crucial role in managing waste, but when it's not working properly, it can lead to serious issues. By catching the signs early, you can avoid costly repairs and health hazards. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 simple signs that your septic tank may need treatment. 1. Slow drains. If your sinks, showers, or bathtubs are draining slowly, your septic system could be full or blocked. 2. Bad odors. Foul smells around drains or outside near the septic tank can indicate a problem with the system. 3. Pooling water in the yard. Unexplained water in your yard, especially near the septic system, is a sign of overflow or leakage. 4. Extra green grass. Lush, bright green patches of grass over your septic system could mean the tank is leaking. 5. Sewage backup. Sewage backing up into your home is a clear sign your tank needs immediate attention. 6. Gurgling sounds. Gurgling noises in your pipes may indicate a blockage in the septic system. 7. High nitrate levels in well water. If your home uses well water, high nitrate levels could signal septic contamination. 8. Frequent pumping needed. Needing to pump the tank too often suggests inefficiency in the system. 9. Issues during heavy rain. Backups or slow drains after heavy rain might point to a drain field problem. 10. Cracks or deterioration. Visible damage to the septic tank can cause leaks and should be addressed immediately. By staying aware of these signs, you can keep your septic system functioning properly. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.